Hi, my name is Farhad. In today's video, I'm gonna show you two best AI tools you can generate image to video or image to animated to video. You can do it anyway, anywhere. So this is really important for you because you want to make a lot of YouTube video by creating animation, right? So you have a lot of image, but right now you want to know that how to do it free for image to video. So in this video, I'm gonna exactly show you everything. Okay, so I will show you two AI tools, so you have to watch the full video. By the end of the day you can learn. Okay, so all you have to do just watch the full video until the end, and then by the end of the day you will be able to create your own image to video. Okay, so I will share with you not one more tips. I'm gonna give you also free, but there is a watermark, and also I will show you how to remove a watermark, and then you'll be able to use your own. So first of all, what you have to do basically, so first of all let's start with these tools. So this is the Immersity's AI. So first of all you have to create an account, and then its looks will be like that. So all you have to do, just click the upload, and you can upload your own image. Suppose I want to animate this cat image, right? Like I will double click here, and then now it's processing. It will take some times to animate this image. So there also have a watermark because you know these tools, they have a subscription, so they also want to earn money. That's why they are like watermark. So finally I can see that oh wait, this is have been ready. So it will also take some times because you know it's making like animation. Can you see? Finally it made it. So you now this is the I can make it also vertical, horizontal, circle, any type of animation you can make it. But currently by default this is at this one. Okay, so from here, and also you can do custom. If I click custom, and I can also do it like custom how I animated it. Okay, how I want to animate it. So there are a lot of control. You can do it as according you want. Okay, so I will go back. I will click the animated style. Okay, so now you can see the amount of motion. You can click here, and then as you want, like if I increase little bit, it motion will be more better than before. Okay, so animation length, so you can also control it. So you have to click here, and I think it's for 8 seconds is enough for me. Okay, I will make it a test. Sorry, 10 second. I made it 10 second. This last length is 10 second. Okay, so focus point. So I think you can recharge yourself. This is self-explanatory. Okay, so I think it's okay. So now, okay, so we did also custom zoom center. You can do any type of thing, and also you can do. Can you see the reverse option? You can also click here. It will be reverse, and again, and also you can. Oh, currently this is by default. This is loops are turning on. Okay, so here's the 3D motion, 3D image. So whatever you want, if I click the 3D image, and also there are a lot of control. You can try by yourself because this is self-explanatory. Okay, so this is the first number tools. So if you want to export, you can click export, and then it will be export. Okay, so it will take some times, and which format exactly you are looking for. There are JPG, SVG, like photos, whatever you can click the next, and then you can export this. Okay, that's step number one. This is the first tool. Now let's move into the second tools, which is this one. I didn't try like this one. I didn't try before, but you can try yourself. And if I describe about my image, and I can upload image from here. So I have to log in first, then I will be able to upload image. Okay, so you can upload your image. You can describe as you how exactly you want this image perform. So you can control this ratio, image ratio. Like there are also, if you want to remove the watermark, you have to maybe buy their subscription. I'm not sure about that because I didn't try, but I'm showing you because so that you can get benefit. Okay, so and also here's the one more tools, which is the CapCut image to video. Okay, so CapCut gonna come. Okay, so I think CapCut is not perfect for that. Yeah, you can see we can try this one. This tools is so much awesome, right? And also, yeah, so now you can try this one, CapCut image to video for free. Evaluate your content with easy. Okay, so now I will show you after the download that how you can remove the watermark. So you have to click the W watermark remover. Can you see? You can click this one or watermark remover video. Okay, so you can click here, and then you can upload your image on over here. Like upload the image, upload the video, which one exactly you want to remove watermark from video, like that. Can you see? This is very fresh, so you can do it by yourself. Okay, so this way exactly you can do it. Like let me show you one thing. Suppose I want this video watermark, so I will double click, and it will upload here. So and it will remove the watermark. Okay, this way you can do it. So that's the thing. So if you like this video, let me know. And then also let's recap again what kind of what tools I showed you. Number one, which is this one, University AIs, and this is number two, which is the demo way. So these two AI tools you can use for your image to video. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.